In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder on your iPhone home screen. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. A folder allows you to save your apps in different categories. As you can see on my screen, I have different folders that are organized depending on the apps that are inside of them. For example, I have a folder for work, I have a folder for my finances, I have a folder for business and other things. If you want to create a folder on your home screen, what you need to do is to press anywhere on your screen, and then you're going to grab one app and you're going to put it in front another app. As you can see, that automatically created a new folder. Now, you can give a different title to your folder depending on what it is that you're adding to your folder. In this case, I'm just going to type folder number 1. I'm going to select the blue mark at the bottom. And once you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to tap again anywhere on your screen, or you're going to select done right here at the top right hand corner. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.